Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to For My Family.
Let's begin by making the sign of the cross.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Today we will be talking about William Shakespeare and the story of William.
Macbeth!
William Shakespeare is probably the world's most famous playwright. He was born in this country in 23rd of April in Stratford-upon-Avon in 1564.
So, he was born more than 400 years ago, when many people were very poor and there were no cars, televisions, or computers. Luckily, William's parents were not so poor, so they paid for him to go to grammar school when he was 7.
Unfortunately for William, he had to go to school for 6 days every week, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's 12 hours every day. His teachers were very strict and there weren't many girls at his school.
When he was 13, William's parents couldn't afford to pay for him to go to school anymore, so he left.
When William was 18, he married a lady called Anne Hathaway, which was 8 years older than he was. When William was 21, he married a lady called Anne Hathaway.
He went to London.
He went to London to live, and she became an actor and playwright.
William wrote many plays and poems. He became rich and famous. Many of his plays were performed at the Globe Theatre in London, and sometimes he acted in his own plays.
Up to 3,000 people would pay to watch plays at the Globe Theatre. William Shakespeare had to write plays that people would go and watch, so he used action and comedy to make his plays more interesting. William Shakespeare's plays have different themes. In Year 4, we have been studying Macbeth. Macbeth's themes are tragedy, ambition, and power.
The play is set 400 years ago in Scotland. It begins with the King of Scotland, King Duncan, sending out his thanes or lords to defend the country from the invading Vikings. Then Macbeth and Duncan are sent to protect the east. Watch out, this battle could get messy!
I'm not the reason why, I'm just to do or die. Good fighting men are we serve His Majesty. And with the pipe and drums, the rebel army comes. They will not pass, they will not pass. You know, the fight for arms on across the land, with a shield of hope and a sword in hand. With sword and shield in hand. We march across the land, we hear the trumpet sound, we come to take the crown. Our cause is just and right, prepare to stand and fight. You will not pass, you will not pass. You will fight the army across the land, with a shield of hope and a sword in hand. Now let the battle begin, now let the battle begin, now let the battle begin. I'm not the reason why, I'm just to do or die. Good fighting men are we serve His Majesty. Our cause is just and right, prepare to stand and fight. You will not pass, you will not pass. No fight for armies across the land, with a shield of hope and a sword in hand. Now let the battle begin, now let the battle begin. Now let the battle begin. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Macbeth and Banquo bravely defeated the rebels, much to the delight of the king. They have a long walk back home across the heath and are exhausted from a long day at battle.
Suddenly, from nowhere, three witches appeared. They greeted Macbeth and Banquo with their titles and talked about three prophecies, one of which was that Macbeth would become King of Scotland.
You shall become the King of Scotland when the holy bird is done and the battle's lost and won.
When Macbeth arrives home back to his castle, he tells his wife about the prophecies. Her mind is ready fixed onto the crown, and she begins to put together King Duncan.
King Duncan arrives at the castle to congratulate Macbeth in winning the battle. Lady Macbeth plays the charming hostess, but secretly urges her husband to kill the king that very night.
Welcome, Your Majesty. We have prepared a magnificent feast in your honor. Welcome to my home, Your Majesty. Excuse us for a second, Your Majesty. This is the plan.
I'm not sure about this.
In the preparation of the evil deed, Lady Macbeth drugs King Duncan's guards. Lady Macbeth tells Macbeth that he has to kill the king.
A drink for your hard work.
Oh yes, it's been a long day.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Macbeth, agonizing over the murder, sees a Southampton dagger hovering before him. Lady Macbeth insists he goes and kills King Duncan.
Take the god's dagger and get on with it.
We won't give away any more of the story. It is an interesting story, so we recommend you read it. William Shakespeare was so talented that his wonderful plays are still performed today.
Please put your hands together. Finish this way. Actors, go back. Sorry, goodness, you can continue, ladies.
Please put your hands together. Dear God, thank you for helping us have role models like William Shakespeare. Help us to use our talents and to help us go to him like us too. Amen.
Amen.
Please join us in our hymn.
yourselves a clap. Big wave for the parents. Quick wave. Okay. Oh.